what we also prefer to do is use a MIDI click utilizing the drum rack rather than audio, which is their click. So what I'm actually going to do is turn this click track that they've sent into my tempo track. So you can see the session right here is set to 81. This is the tempo of the song. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to double click this click track and I'm going to gain it all the way down. This means that no audio is going to be passing through. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to hit warp and I'm going to hit this follow button. I'm going to turn it to lead. This now means that this track is the leader track for all the tracks at 81 beats per minute. It's setting this grid to 81 beats per minute. We prefer this because it's a little easier to splice and dice the tempo track rather than moving up and down the tempo nodes, especially when you have a big session that you're dealing with.
So you're saying everything that's basically below,
yes,
inside the...
Yep, all this grid now is set to 81 beats per minute. And you can kind of see, like, if I click, well, it's not doing it now, but like if I click in here, up here, it's at 81 beats per minute. So that's a good way you can check to make sure
you're bringing multiple songs together.
Yes, yeah. So now that this is the tempo track, I'm going to relabel that. So I'm going to first start on this track header over here. Command R is shortcut to rename. I'm going to rename it tempo. And then I'm going to click the track itself and Command R, and I'm going to label it tempo 81 beats per minute. Sometimes it's nice just to have a visual cue for when you're music directing or whatever you need to tell the guitar player what tempo it's in. You can just look over and see 81 beats per minute.